Oh?
Excuse me.
Oh? Hick. Hickity hick.
Hickity, kitty, kitty,
Hick. Hick.
hickity.
Hick. I love your hicks so much.
Yeah, some people think that it might be a sign of like something serious, but I think it's just because I swallow air.
You swallow air?
Yeah, you know how like when you drink soda, the carbonation makes you
Oh,
burp?
wait, actually, like swallow air, like for real?
I don't know, probably.
Mhm. What an interesting woman she is.
Air tastes good.
I wouldn't agree on that. Fried chicken tastes much better than air. Although, I guess you could try to fry air, because everything tastes better when it's fried.
What? Fried air?